I wanted to show you another one of our excellent resources on the Career Center homepage. So just a reminder, the easiest way to get to this is to type in glendale.edu/career center in our homepage. And then if we scroll down under Start Exploring Now, we have some of our excellent resources. We have videos on many of these resources as well that I'll show you. For this video, I wanted to show you Eureka. So when we click on Eureka, if you have not created an account yet, you can actually fill out this information here and create an account, and you can select a counselor and then continue, and it will basically create an account for you. Our Career Center pays for all of our students to have an account with Eureka. I've already created my account, so up here in the top right hand corner, once you've already created your account, you can click on Login, and I will log into my account. And so once we log in, the easiest way is to just click on Dashboard on your left-hand side, and this is going to show you kind of the top reasons you would want to use Eureka and what Eureka offers for you. So under self-assessments, these are assessments that you can take to learn more about yourself and also look at what careers might fit with your how your results for your assessment. Right here in the middle, though, is the one I want to use for today, which is researching careers. So I would like us to click on occupations. And you can actually search by occupation if you would like. So you can click by alphabetical list, and it will actually break down occupations for you. For the sake of this, let's just say you wanted to research accountants. You can actually also search by this top right-hand corner, search occupations, and you can type in an occupation you're thinking of researching. For the sake of this, we'll look at accountants. It gives you a nice video here on what a day in the life of an accountant is. It gives you advice on how to prepare to go into that field. It gives you suggested majors, talks about the field of an accountant, talks about what skills are required, licensing that's required, a lot about the work environment. And then this is going to give you California LMI. LMI stands for labor market information. So this is giving you the pay for accountants and auditors in the state of California. Entry level pay for an accountant and auditor in California is $5,015 per month. Average pay is about a little over $7,000 per month, and then top pay is anywhere between $8,325 per month and up. And then it gives you the outlook information for California specifically. So it says accountants and auditors have an expected growth rate that's about average. And yearly job openings, which is new jobs that have been created, is almost 7,000 new jobs in California per year, which is actually pretty good. And then it also breaks down pay by county for you. So LA County versus Orange County, and different counties in California that you might be interested in living in. Again, Eureka can be a great resource to research career information, and it gives you actually a lot of information about the field, the outlook, the pay. I really recommend using Eureka for researching career information. And like I said, you can even type in here, let's say you wanted to research more about being a teacher. We can scroll down. This gives you all the different types of teachers that we have listed. So let's say you want to be a kindergarten teacher. We could click on that. And then again, it gives you a short video, talks about the field. You can look at the pay information. Eureka can be a great resource to research career information. And if you ever need help, you can always come see us in the Career Center.